Hi everyone, this is going to be the first video in the Python series that I've started on this channel. I'm going to be teaching Python from scratch and continue on to an intermediate to advanced level. If you're someone with almost no coding experience in the past, then this series is geared towards you. After watching this video, you'll have Python and an IDE installed on your systems, and I'll talk more about the actual code from the next video forwards. For those of you who do not know what an IDE is, it stands for an Integrated Development Environment and is an intuitive software that helps you to run, debug, and modify your code easily. There are tons of IDEs out there, and you can pick whichever one you feel comfortable using. But for the purpose of this series, I'll be using the Wing IDE because I feel like it is the most easy to use out of all the other IDEs out there. So in order to make your computer read your Python code, Python needs to be installed on your computer. It is a really easy download process. Just go to the link in the description and it is going to redirect you to this website out here. Or you could open up your browser and search for Python. And then open up the first link, the download Python link, and it's going to open up the Python downloads page for you. From here, you could just download the installer and then run it afterwards. After it opens up, it's going to be a really easy installation process. Uh, just click on the install now button and then just pretty much wait for it to get installed. I'm just going to skip to the end because this is kind of time consuming. And we're done. So now we can move on to installing Wing now. Installing Wing is just as easy. Just go to your browser, type in Wing IDE, and then go to the downloads link, and then choose Get 101. After that, click on the installer that you would like to get, and then click on the download link at the bottom. And it's gonna run the installer after it downloads. And the installation is pretty straightforward too. Just let it open up first. Yeah, just keep clicking next. Yeah, you just keep like pretty much just keep clicking next until it's over. You could change the installation directory, but for now, I'm just keeping it the same. You can just keep it the same too, it does not really matter. And yeah, just wait for it to end. And yeah, that pretty much does it for installation of Wing and Python. And you can just open up Wing and run it. Let me just search it again. Didn't really show up the first time. Maybe just downloaded. That's why it's not showing up. Uh, yeah, there you go. Yeah, let me type it again. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna open up any second now, any moment. So yeah, the first time you open it, maybe it's gonna take some time, but after a couple of times, it's gonna open up more quicker than before, for sure. Yeah, there you go. Okay, now since it's opened up, I'm gonna type in the first hello world program in it. Just print hello world, and then I'm gonna press the run button. And as you can see, you can see the words hello and world printed in the Python shell. And I'm gonna talk more about Python, the Python shell window, the debug IO window, and the window in which you type the code itself in the future videos. And you may also notice like I put the words hello world in quotations. I'm also going to talk about that in the next video. But for now, this is about it, and see you next time.